next day, we planned to visit a few historic places in and around Bhubaneswar, including the Jagannath temple at Puri and the Sun temple at Konark. So we booked a taxi from the hotel and started the expedition.
Odisha is known for its heavy rains. All the rivers and lakes were brimming. Everything around us looked green and lively.
We spotted cattle everywhere. No wonder the milk we get here is tasty. Our driver, a nice gentleman, also acted as our local guide.
दुनिया में कुछ नहीं चाहिए भगवान केला नहीं खाते नारियल नहीं खाते एप्पल नहीं खाते कुछ भी नहीं खाते वर्ल्ड में
The Jagannath temple was constructed in the early 12th century. The fact that we were entering a 1,000-year-old temple gave us goosebumps. Like in most temples, cameras and phones are not allowed inside.
On our way to Konark, we spotted this very unfortunate incident.
अरे कौन है भाई नहीं जी बुढ़ी है जी नहीं ये जानो
The water is mesmerizing and deadly at the same time. We stopped for lunch at this very interesting restaurant, which to our surprise was a pure vegetarian place. Not to mention the over-enthusiastic grandpa at the entrance.
We feasted on the local vegetable curry, dal and rice.
The drive on the Marine Drive road was divine. I told my wife that we should come back here on our motorcycle.
At the museum entrance, we saw a stone sundial. Unfortunately, we couldn't tell the time as it was a cloudy day. This architectural marvel was built in the 13th century. Once towering over 200 feet high, much of the temple is now in ruins. It is not possible to enter the main temple as it is completely caved in with rubble.
After walking quite a distance to the museum and back, we decided to soak in the cool evening breeze of Bay of Bengal. the end of the day, we had covered over 160 kilometers.